Yellow friends, I'm back with another sound and welcome to Pinky's class. So today we have sound E. Sound E. Even sound E comes from letter E. Remember, letter E has two sounds. It has A and it also has E. We looked at sound A. Now we're going to look at sound E. Yes, so let's look at the blends for sound E. We have B, C, D, F, G, H, G, L, M, N, P, R, C, T, V, W, Y, and Z. Yes, now let's look at word formation. Some sounds are silent. There's some sounds which we are not supposed to pronounce when we are forming the words. So let's start from the first one. We have ear. Now in this one, the middle sound is silent. We do not pronounce it, so we say ear. So it's going to be ear, the ear which we used for hearing. Then we have C. Even the last sound there is silent. That's why we say C. Yes. Then we have B. The next sound is silent, and then we go to N. Bin. Yes. B. N. So we get bin. Then the next one is Li. The next sound is silent. Then F. Leaf. We get leaf. We go to the next one. Zebra. Zebra. So we get zebra. Yes, we have zebra. Then the next one is T, and the next sound is silent. So we say T, the T which we take from home. Then the next one is E, the next sound is silent. G, L, and the last sound is also silent. So we have eagle. Eagle. Yes, an eagle. And the last one for sound E, we are going to have me. The next sound is silent, and then T, meat. Yes, the meat, which some people don't eat meat. Yep. Let's go to the sentences. Yes. Eagles eat meat. Yes. Eagles eat meat. I eat beans. Do you eat beans? Me, I eat beans. Then the last sentence. I have 2 ears. I have 2 ears. Yes. And that's it for sound E. Every time I'm going to be reminding you to practice, because when you practice you become perfect and you say these words without any difficulty. Okay, I hope to see you in our next video, and for now I'm saying bye.